So, morning everybody. Well, yes, we're in the house at the moment, and apologies if it's a little bit dark or anything. I've got a little light on my camera, but we're going to pop up the allotment, but it's only for a quick little blast just to give you an idea and some things like future plans. But look, can you see that? Those are my clothes. This is why we're not staying too long at the allotment. I've just took the dogs for a walk, and every bit of my clothing, even down to the briefs and the socks, I was soaking wet. But I thought it would be a good day today then, if it is pouring down rain, to kind of show you me two plans, what I've got. And the first plan, basically there's two plans, and the first plan is smallish, relatively smallish. The second one, which is up at the allotment, is a bigger plan. It'll take a few more attempts, but it's getting close now to booting up the winter system. Yes, and basically I've got to kind of turn this whole bit of kind of junky room into some sort of grow more studio kind of, well, just get it tidied up. Do you know what I mean? I've got me kind of me hedge cutters there, me kind of tree loppers there, me chains. They're just, everything's just been kind of shoved in. And actually, I haven't been in this little area since well, for a while actually. But that big telly box was in there as well. I'll just turn you around. So I had the big telly box in just in case I had to send that telly back. But look, we even got a Millennium Falcon up there. Do you know what I mean? So I want to get rid of today mostly a lot of little stuff, just so I can set it out a little bit better. And hopefully, I mean, you can see, just show you there, you know, I've got they're just sitting here, but they're doing all right, mind you. They're still, it's because it's a nice cold little environment in here. So onions are doing fine. And I just pop, we're actually going through the potatoes as well, as you can see there. We're just all getting them. I wish I hadn't mixed them. You know what I mean? When I kind of just threw them all in the one, but what the hell. But that's a great little container. So yes, I want to try and somehow get all, because these are kind of the built for like the big plants. Well, I only need the one tier system. So somehow I've got to find spaces for them two things. I want to get just a lot of stuff out, to be honest. But I want a bench as well, because somewhere here, oh there it is, I've got the Mars Hydro, the S250, to kind of hook up and I hang some, maybe on this side, down on the plants, as you can see, tucked under there is be like little heat tray there. So, but there's, I think this is one of them metal raised beds. Do you know what I mean? I've still got two of them because I'll just show you. We actually used one of them. Can you see on there? I kind of did that over the summer as well. So that's one kind of job, and I don't think that'll be much, but I want to try and make it a bit nice, because to do some kind of live, you know, when it is cold and wet, do some live broadcasts from in here. So I've somehow got to make the backdrop a little bit nicer as well, you know. God, that's true. This is the easy job. Let's go to the allotment. So yes, we're up here, and it's still raining, but it's not. It's nowhere near what it was before. But I'm not doing much. But I want to. It's more for me as well to go over what I want to do. Do you know in this video? So yes, I'm telling you as well. But it's something that's been. I think most of you kind of who watch the show know. You know what I mean? What it is I'm going to kind of try and do, or the area, should I say. But it's one of the things that's just been left a little bit. Yes, we're talking about, well, actually that whole area. First off is I've got to renew the roof up there. Am I all in black? Yes, I am. So just be careful. I don't think it'll be out today, to be honest. But it's going to take a few sessions, and it might be like a nice little series to kind of do I'm not sure what I intend to do yet, but look at it, man. So that there, I'm going to just take all that out, get rid. I don't think there's anything there kind of vitally that I need, so it's all, you know, maybe a little bit of the kind of netting and that, but I'll just take it all to the tip, hopefully, and just get that into some sort of order. Next up, well, first up I think is going to be, let's see if I can just get up here, is this roof. Can you see it? So this is my, and there's just the winds come, do you know what I mean, from the west coming, and it just blew, this bit's kind of worked, but it's now blew this top bit off. And actually, when I say worked, it stayed on. I'm not sure how to even attempt to fix this. This is going to come off, and I don't know, I might actually just put whole like polythene plastic on first, and then some like felt. I've got an old bit of felt, we'll see. But anyways, that certainly needs to be fixed as soon as. Now just gently tore, gently, the wood slippy is out. Right, and I mean that's all right, you know what I mean. I'll just let the rhubarb go down to see that even still the tomatoes haven't turned green. It's been hitty missy for tomatoes. I've had some great tomatoes, but for most of the country it's been a bit of a slog trying to get them red. So this is the big thing as well. This is the big daddy of the hut down there, and there's a number of reasons why it's like this, but I can't get away from the fact that it is just me shoving it in here because I know I was going to do things. Man, I shouldn't even show you, because I know I was going to do things, so I was just like, it's just being, you know, left. Look at that. We'll just have a little moment to kind of to take it all in. You know what I mean? Like I say, there's a leak coming there still. This bloody thing is, oh man. There is going to be so much taken out and thrown out. Do you know what I mean? There's loads going out, to be honest. I'm getting rid of this bench thing here. There's so much of it going. There's not enough kind of room. I just need to totally kind of clear the place out, see what I've got. I mean, even tools. I basically on here use scissors, me snips, me knife, and them things. They're the main, actually that's my main thing there with me knife. Sometimes the hammer, you know, when I'm doing the odd thing. A lot of that can just go. Do you know what I mean? I need to get all my pots in order. Do you know what I mean? It's just, this, mind you, and I just slide that out. That has done wonders. I know it's kind of just, it's just dusty because when it comes in here, anything gets dusty. But my seed box preparation has that. It's worth it. Salt. There's a link below for that if anybody's interested in it. But you know what's all this? None of this should be here. You know what I mean? So I kind of need to get this sorted. And like I say, it's one of them things when you know something's coming. Well, I just bung it in. Look at man, I've even got pretty still bee hats, man. Do you know? And one thing in me favour, I've been a total scumbag lazy thing, is I did hurt my shoulder, and it is getting better there now. I feel a bit of a twinge there, but so I have been kind of on lighter duties. Well, I haven't done any duties for a while, do you know what I mean? So I thought, well, I've used that excuse, to be honest, like, put in there. But again, we'll go through. Look at that, man. All that can go. Do you know what I mean? The whole lot can go. I'll probably keep that box, because that's got, like, look at this one. Oh, it's got all the kind of the good stuff in there, the bits that you just definitely need. So probably keep that, and the cups and that, you know what I mean, sort that out. But see, this is just me garlic box just left there. Do you know what I mean? Why would you do that? Why don't you just take it home, Tony? I'm telling Tony off as well now. I'm speaking in the third person. So this bit here is okay. This bit is all right. Actually, you know that seat, that seat, it's Amazon Prime Day today, and I ordered a box from Amazon, like a Keta one again, to hold some of me kind of stuff from the hut down there, and I think it was £129, and that was reduced. And then it's Amazon Prime Day today, it was £90, so I cancelled it and ordered it again. So yes, so that's, like I say, and dreams is, it would be, I am not qualified enough to be honest, but I would love to be able to somehow build that hut out into some sort of like wooden greenhouse effect there, you know, and because it doesn't, the glass doesn't need to be on that side, but I could have it that side, this side, and maybe the roof, I don't know, but you know, that would be in the, but I'm, like I say, I wouldn't even know where to start, to be honest. I'm not that kind of, I can build a fence, you know, or I kind of, you know, I built that, I can do stuff like this, or I can build beds, but that might be, actually I built me wood store down there, you know, but I wouldn't know where to start, to be honest. But that would be a lovely thing, because this, like you say, from this side over, you get the sun, and I would be able to put some sort of like little heater in there, you know what I mean? We'll see. Should we just have a look in, just see what's going on in here? Oh, she's fine, man, fine. We've had some, well, just wet, to be honest. Got a few little nods at how to do that. I'm going to attempt just to do a bit of garlic, fry a bit of garlic in a pan, and just try it like that first. So we'll see. Oh, the seeds are all starting. Look at how you can tell this side, can you see, is higher because of the sun. Do you know what I mean? It is a remarkable, look at, you can see better on that one. Do you know what I mean? Might turn them round. Well, I think everything's fine in here. I don't need to water anything. So that's it. I was just thought I've showed you me mucky areas. Look after yourselves. Take good care.